Hi and welcome back to this new tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to draw the vertical curve, which is known as the road. Okay, so this is the designing of a road. I'm going to show you how to do that. First of all, I'm going to edit the style for the profile so I can work better. Okay, so I'm going to remove those and hit apply. Okay, now I can work as I want. Okay, it's up to you to keep that settings or to remove them, but I feel like it's better for me to work this way. Okay, the second thing we need to keep in mind that we have like from 0.5 to 7% grade range. Okay, so 7 is the max, 0.5% is the lowest. So when we design a road, we should keep in mind not to go over those uh, those grades. Okay, so now let's try to draw our vertical curve. So just go to the home tab, choose profile, then create on profile creation tools. Okay, choose your profile and hit on design criteria. Let's give it a name first. Let's give it a name called V exam, for example, and we use the 2004 ASHTO. We hit on OK. So as you can see here, we have this dialog box. We hit on scroll down here. We choose draw tangent with curves. So we begin from here. So it's more better to start at the beginning of the road. This is mostly how we start designing roads, by beginning at the first of the existing road, okay, or existing ground level. So we hit here, and then here, then here, here, say here, and here, let's say, then like this, then like this, we go like here. So as you can see here, while I draw, I have made like huge fill area, so I need to make some cuts to make them equal. Okay, so it's mostly better that you avoid making huge amount of cuts or fills, but for the demonstration of this course there is no problem at all. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so here, then I'm going to go here. Okay, hold on. Alright, so from here to here, say to here, okay, and here exit. Okay, so let's see what I've drawn. So here from we have, as you can see guys, we have the grades minus 1.21. This grade is 0.75, 406. Oh, this one goes more than 7%. Okay, so it's not within standards. Okay, this one as well. Oh, this one as well. This one as well. This is good. So as you can see, we have like, this is minus, indicates that it's downward, but still it's 10%, which is more than 7%. Okay, see, do we have any other problems? Yeah, this is approximately 7 and 1.71. Okay, so this is the profile I have drawn. Okay, you can draw your own profile. So this is only for demonstration purposes. Okay, I'm going to make another profile than this because this one is messed up and it has a lot of high curves, lower curves. I'm going to attach all files needed with every lesson. Okay, so I hope you get the information. I hope you're able to understand what I just did. Okay, so now you have better idea about designing the road. So as we said here, we begin from the beginning of the existing round. Then this is the blue one, is our designing road. And we went like this all the way. So this is the road we are trying to design. Okay, so try to make a train yourself. See if you could draw a horizontal alignment and make its profile. Okay, this way try to see if you could choose the correct path for you. All right, so this is me. I've made this profile. It's not completely correct. You need to make a lot of attempts to have the best, let's say, the best tangent or contour line for you. Alright, so this is all for now. I hope you people enjoyed this video. Thank you for you watching, and this is Abbas was with you. Bye bye.